Yo, what's going on, guys? We are in like North Wisconsin right now. Highway 55, I think it's called, or Route 55. I'm not sure, but it's 55. Just went up, and it's pretty curvy. I wouldn't say twisty, but there's a lot of curves. A lot of bugs right here. But I found this nice pull-off spot. Check it out. There's like a little river. Pretty peaceful too. We got like stairs over here. We can go down. I just went down and took a piss over there. I had to go so bad. But it's freaking beautiful. The water's pretty clear too. Nice place to take a little dip if you're hot. But let's get going. The bugs are attacking me. Probably because I took a piss over there. But there she is. My baby. But man, just getting here, it's all straight. Like my tires are starting to square up. So I'm like, just like weaving in and out, swerving, so I can round the tires out again. But it's a good ride. It's definitely curvier than where I'm from in Wisconsin. Had to go like an hour north of where I'm staying now. But let's head back down. This is actually on an Indian Reservation, which is pretty cool. Damn it, put my glove on before I got the key out. Give you guys a startup. All right. Woo. I don't know if it's just me, but the exhaust sounds louder for some reason. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. But give it some revs. It definitely sounds louder for some reason, but it sounds good though. Well, let's get going, man. These flies, whew, attacking me. All right. Make sure your pockets are closed. I got gas yesterday, and I forgot to zip up my pocket that's holding my wallet, and almost dropped it. Thankfully I noticed. Let's get it. So I rode up one time just to scope out the road, but it looks pretty good. Damn, what the heck? That was a hawk. But the road's pretty clear, not really any gravel. Definitely didn't want to go too hard on my first ride up, but going down we'll go a little bit harder because now we know how the turns are. Gotta watch out for them deers. Hopefully the M4 scares the deer away. There you go. There you go. That was the best turn on this whole road. I don't know if I went like I didn't go all the way up the road because I'm gonna have to get gas soon, but that was the best turn. Alright, we got a rider. Let's see if he's wearing gear. Nope. 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 None of those Harley riders are wearing helmets. Freaking crazy, man. Another turn. Let's go. Woo! That's nice. Another turn. Feeling good. Sucks that this road is a trip for me. It's a little over an hour, and it's an hour of straights. It's terrible. Just an hour of highways. Woo! Feeling good. I want to get some 0 to 60 pulls. When I get another straight, I'm going to try. Damn traffic. Let them get ahead. Not a bad road. Definitely, like, not bad for Wisconsin. Doesn't compare to North Carolina at all, but maybe New Jersey, like North New Jersey, but it's probably the best road. I mean, it is the best road since I've been here. Alright, let's try 0 to 60 right here. Stop. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, it's a pretty nice road. Not bad. Definitely gotta come back here. This is probably gonna be the new spot in Wisconsin. But I appreciate you guys watching. I appreciate all the new subscribers. I appreciate this guy for waiting. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.